Hello everyone! So welcome to another vlog. Hi everyone! So today I will be showing you what's on my iPad since a lot of you guys requested for it and I asked you over on Instagram if you guys want to see this video. I didn't bother to make a separate video since this is going to be really short since this is so uninteresting, but I hope you guys liked it. So this is my iPad. This is the iPad Air version 1 2014 version. I got this when I graduated 6th grade and now I'm an incoming college student, so it's been 6 years and it still works, so I'm still using it. So this is in gray and I just have like a bunch of stickers on it so to make it look prettier, and it has a lot of stains because it got broken before, and I just taped like the screen here. I'm sure you can see it well, but there's tape here and I couldn't clean the insides of the screen, so I just let it like that. So when you open this up, you can see my lock screen, just a plain dark lock screen. When you open it up, I still have the same wallpaper. And I only have like 2 pages. So the first page is where I put like the common apps, self-explanatory apps, and down here I have like the apps that I usually use, such as Notes, Spotify, and Photos. The next page I categorize everything into folders, and I wanted to keep it this way so that a bunch of colors won't bother my eyes. I want it to look as minimal as possible. So first folder, I deleted a lot of learning apps. So this is my learning folder. I have iBooks, Drive, Docs, Sheets. I used to have a lot of other studying apps, but I deleted them since I'm not going to school for a few months. I have Skillshare, Duolingo, Lingo Dear Korean, Vocabulary. So I use these 3 apps for learning Korean. And I have the EDX app. I use that for my Harvard online courses on principles of biochemistry. Then I have this folder for social media apps, self-explanatory. This folder for streaming and watching movies and shows. I have YouTube, Netflix, iWant. iWant is for local shows. I use that whenever some local indie films had free streaming. Support local. VLive for EXO stuff, and View for a bunch of K-dramas. Don't really watch K-dramas that often, but it's still there. And then this is my creatives folder. First I have Fonto for adding text on photos. I don't use this. Snapseed, Vaughn for adding text on videos. PixArt, Remini for enhancing low quality photos. Adobe Draw, this is like the Illustrator Draw. This is the first ever drawing app that I have, and these are like my older drawings. Then I have Autodesk Sketchbook. So this app is actually the app that I use for drawing nowadays. I still have my thumbnails here and other drawings. Then lastly I have Ibis Paint. So I used to edit my older thumbnails here, and I also have like older drawings here as well. Then the last folder is this one. This is the others folder. So I just have Gmail, Pinterest, Artist Studio, Apple Store, Google Earth. Google Earth, I use that whenever I want to go to some places but I couldn't. I just use Google Earth. Previews, this is the only game that I have. Surfshark and Google Chrome. So those are the apps that I have in my iPad. It's not really interesting, but I hope you guys liked it.
Some friends of ours in America called the Lodge family. Get it out, okay? Juno's never had Oreos. These are original Oreos. So